Well, hi guys, welcome to this Moneycontrol live stream. We're watching midday market mood check with me, Nandita, Khemka, and my colleague Yatin, Mota. Well, Yatin, looks like the bulls are all charged up, and they seem to have taken inspiration from the men in blue, given the fact that we saw such a great victory coming in yesterday. Epic match. In fact, birthday boy also.
King Kohli,
King
as
Kohli.
Nandita says.
Yeah, of course, and what a birthday, right? Given
Yeah.
the fact that he has equaled his own idol's record of 49 one-day international centuries, and what an epic match it was. But let's shift focus to the markets on that note. Of course, another day of triple-digit gains coming in, Nifty around that 19,350 mark. As we, head into the Diwali Moto trading, we are doing pretty fine today. Broader markets outperforming. Even the breadth is looking extremely positive, 3.5 to 1. NSE advanced decline ratio. Yatin, do you want to talk about how the mid caps and mid cap end of the markets are panning out today?
So I think Nandita, the mid cap indices are up almost a percentage point, and if you look at the advanced decline ratio, 3:1. So the Monday morning start is quite strong in terms of the breadth, in terms of the sectoral gains, and the mid cap gaining stocks. Now, if you look at stocks like Aarti Industries and JK Cement reacting to the earnings, the stock have seen a 10% uptake. And if you look at JK Lakshmi Cement also and the smaller cement companies, they have been able to deliver a very strong quarter because monsoon is usually a lean quarter, and on a year-on-year basis, these companies have been able to demonstrate quite strong results. So good going in for the mid-cap cement pack, especially JK Cement after the results. That stock is still holding up by nearly 8.5%. Gland Pharma, Infibeam, Kalyan Jewellers are the other stocks which are moving in trade. In fact, Kalyan Jewellers is at a new 52-week high. What's not doing well is the likes of Angel One, profit taking seen there. Stock is down 4.5%. Bank of Baroda, after the numbers are disappointed, 4% down for that one. JM Financial and KC International are the other stocks which are witnessing some bit of pressure. But clearly you have to give it to Zomato. After a 10% move on Friday, today the stock is up 3%. Most of the brokerages have increased the target price here, so good going there. SBI is quiet after the quarterly numbers. ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank are providing some support not only to the Nifty Bank but also to the Nifty 50. And in general, it's a good day for mid caps. Just to talk something more, Nandita, Godrej Properties, Brigade, Lodha, all of these real estate stocks are at new 52-week highs and up nearly 3-4% in trade today again.
Clearly, Yatin, realty is the flavor of the day, as it has been over the last few sessions. Another 1.5% kind of up move coming in on the Nifty Realty Index. In fact, even metals as a pocket not doing all that badly. In fact, aside of the PSU banking index, all the other sectors were in the green last time I checked. Of course, you mentioned how SBI and the others are weighing a little, down, weighing the index down, or in fact weighing emerging as the top losers in today's session, given the fact that, of course, SBI margin contraction has been there, but not as much as the street was fearing. But operating expenses have also gone up, and some bit of provisions made towards wage costs that has kind of weighed heavy for SBI. But the street remains positive, says another quarter of perhaps some bit of margin contraction, and then we could see some bit of recovery going forward. Aside of that, Yatin, Divis Labs came out with numbers below estimates, and it is reflecting in the stock prices as well. Also, Bharat Forge also reported numbers just a few minutes ago. In fact, numbers were good, which is reflecting in the stock price. Another 3% up for the likes of Bharat Forge this week. And I want to talk about the other nifty gainers today: Eicher Motors, Hero Moto, BPCL, Axis Bank and Grasim. Eicher Motors will be reporting its numbers later in the week. Ahead of that, it started off the week pretty good, 3.5% kind of up move coming in on that stock. But aside of that, Yatin, we had a new listing today, Cello World. Good listing, 28% premium is where it listed at, and a lot of IPOs are opening up this week as well. So the action in the primary markets continues to remain robust, right, as we step into Diwali and the festive week. But of course, in the second half, I think we'll watch out for whether we manage to end around these levels. But right now, things looking fairly strong for the markets. Let's hope the momentum continues. But of course, we'll be back at 3:30 p.m. to talk about how the market shut shop and also some of the stocks that will be on our radar today. So thanks a lot for tuning in. Stay tuned to Moneycontrol for all your other news and updates. It's a goodbye from me and Yatin for now.